Hello everyone, my name is Rahim Asum Raja and welcome to Market Updates and MarketSmith Portfolio Review. In this video, I will provide a concise recap of last week's market performance along with key highlights from our MarketSmith portfolio. We will take you through the latest moves in our model portfolio and spotlights the trends and stocks that deserve your attention in the days ahead. Our aim is to deliver the practical insights and that are easy to understand, whether you are experienced investors or just starting out, so you can focus on what truly matters this week. So let's dive in. So Market Smith update in this. First of all, I would like to update about market status based on O'Neill methodology. So as you all know that we have O'Neill methodology and we follow four direction. One is confirm uptrend, the second one is uptrend under pressure, third one is rally attempt, and the fourth one is downtrend or correction we can say. So based on that, we are in the confirm uptrend with four distribution days. On June 11, market condition has been upgraded to confirm uptrend from uptrend under pressure. So if you look at the distribution days count, that has also increased in the just 2 weeks back. There were like 7 to 8 distribution days. Now this the distribution days has reduced to four. So now we can say that the market is again started showing its strength, and there is a renewed strength in the market as of now. Looking at the chart as well. And the main reason behind is like a stable policy and a stable government, like PLI schemes, Make in India concept, incentives from manufacturing are pushing industrial growth and exports. Even the clean energy push, renewable energy and EV sectors are seeing a strong government support. Even the government investment flows like FII interest returning again, and the domestic flows looks strong. So overall demand has actually increased, and that is actually reflecting in the chart. So so far as Market Smith portfolio is concerned, we are holding 20 stocks in our model portfolio, and we are still watching some of the stocks, which I will try to share it in front of you in few minutes. So just I will try to decode this chart. By looking at the chart, we can see that overall sentiment in the market is positive. The Nifty is standing in the upward trajectory. There is no doubt about it. It is standing in the bullish trend, and it is standing above its all key moving averages as well. The thing is, like from the past 4 days, four trading session, especially from 27th June onwards after Friday, the market has witnessed some profit booking or some sideways movement. We can say that has actually started, and gradually market is trying to fall. So let's see how much it is falling and whether it is trying to retest its 21 DMA, which is just 1.12% from this level. So index might retest its 21 DMA, which is placed around 25,123. And from there, again, we can expect some bounce back because there is a strong support placed there. And if that is not happening, then again, we have to see that whether it is breaching it, again, it is retesting its 50 DMA also, which is just 2.3%. So it is all matter of time. And for that, we need to monitor it very closely. So we do not need to depict it that what is going to be like. In spite of that, we have to see how the market action is taking place, and based on that, we need to monitor our portfolio and we need to take our action in our portfolio if it is required. So obviously, investor sentiment has strengthened. There is no doubt about it. Now we are closely monitoring some of the stocks. There are many actually, but I would like to show some of it. Like if you look at the chart, like CESC share price is looking good. Overall sentiment in this particular stock has actually looking attractive, and it is also forming handle cup with handle base formation breakout. So it is 1% from the pivot level. The only concern is EPS strength. We need to analyze it in a detailed manner how the fundamentals looks like, and obviously we will take action on it. Overall sentiment has increased if we look at its volume spike. So volume spike is obviously good. It is above average volume in the past 1 week. overall accumulation has increased, and obviously we can see that there is demand has cropped out here. The next stock is Sirma. So, uh, Sirma SGS Technology Limited. So, Sirma SGS Technology Limited is also showing a strength now. Its overall fundamental, if you look at it, it is APS strength 90, even its bad demand is A plus, APS rank 19, and everything is looking attractive in this. And it is 5% from the pivot in last 3 days. So let's see whether it is trying to pull back or not, because volume accumulations and everything is good. We are actually holding 20 stocks, so we are also trying to book some of the profit in those, and let's see whether we can add some stocks instead of after booking the profit. One and the next stock is Manorama Industries. So Manorama Industry is also looking attractive, and it is forming flat base pattern. Already flat base pattern has taken place, but breakout is 5% away from the pivot level. So once the breakout is taking place, then obviously we can add it in our model portfolio, but there is no guarantee that we will add it. But we can think of it obviously, because overall sentiment in the stocks, the price action, it is actually showing a resilience. So it is looking attractive, the Manorama Industries. The next stock is HBL Engineering. So HBL Engineering is the next stock that we are actually looking at. And if you look at the volume spike, so volume spike is good, and overall accumulation is actually strengthening here. So demand has actually increased for these particular stocks, and which has also reflecting on the chart and the price action. The next stock is Berger Paint. So Berger Paint is trying to give the breakout. Already it has given the breakout, and it is 1% from the pivot level in the past 3 days. Let's see whether it is holding its strength or not, or whether it is trying to show some profit booking at this point of time. So we are actually monitoring it very closely. So, and I always used to show this O'Neill market view that we send it on the daily basis. Like in this, we tried our investors to read it every day so that they can have an idea about overall market view, even the global market view, major market indices, and sectoral directions. And we can one can also try to see that which sector is looking strong and how much percentage on the weekly basis, and how much percentage it has changed in the last 1 month, even 13 weeks, 26 weeks, and even 42 weeks. And based on that, we can also try to see here like which sectors or which area is actually showing a strength, in whether it is a chemical industry or auto sectors or finance, uh, and what are the particular stocks that is actually showing a strength, and which is price action is taking place, and which is actually trying to move higher. So you can click just one by one, and you can just, for example, I am just trying to show it one, like this stock, Waring Energies. So Waring Energy is actually looking good. If you'll again, if you'll try to see so any of the stocks like Geo Finance, randomly any stocks you can see, you can have an idea that this stock might looks attractive, or this stock might go upside. And because this is actually based on our own proprietorship strategy that is actually reflecting here. So now I would like to tell you like investors action plan, because as we are in the confirm uptrend, so it is the best time to be in the stock. The market is showing a strength, and most stocks move higher. This is when investors have the highest probability of making profits. And here what we recommend for you, like focus on fundamentally strong stocks breaking out of sound patterns. Check out the stocks our analysts are watching. Increase exposure as long as the market and your stocks continues to show strength. Even our analyst highlights any major shift in the trend in our daily market commentaries, as I always tell. And stay disciplined, and follow proper buy and sell rules. So this is the wrap for this market week updates. And if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more market insight. Stay disciplined, stick to your plan, strategy, and trade wisely. See you next time. So thank you so much for watching this video.